Car, autonomous systems, the future of transportation and delivery, left magnifying glass, introduction. The rapid evolution of autonomous systems is revolutionizing the transportation and delivery industry, paving the way for a future where AI-driven vehicles and robots handle mobility and logistics with unprecedented efficiency and safety. From self-driving cars and trucks to autonomous drones and robotic delivery systems, automation is reshaping supply chains, urban mobility, and last-mile delivery. As major tech companies and startups invest heavily in machine learning, sensor technology, and AI-powered decision-making, autonomous transportation is poised to redefine global mobility. This article explores the advancements, benefits, challenges, and future outlook of autonomous vehicles and delivery systems. Car 1. The evolution of autonomous transportation, Small Blue Diamond, A. The rise of self-driving vehicles. 1. Autonomous vehicles, AVs, rely on AI, LiDAR sensors, cameras, and GPS to navigate roads safely and make real-time decisions. 2. Industry leaders like Tesla, Waymo, and Cruise are pushing the boundaries of Level 4 and Level 5 autonomy, aiming for full self-driving capabilities. 3. Advanced AI models help AVs detect pedestrians, interpret traffic signals, and predict road hazards, reducing accident risks and enhancing driving efficiency. Small Blue Diamond, B. Autonomous trucks and freight transport. 1. Self-driving trucks are transforming long-haul logistics, reducing operational costs and optimizing fuel efficiency. 2. AI-powered systems improve route planning, predictive maintenance, and traffic management, leading to faster and safer freight transportation. 3. Companies like Embark, Too Simple, and Einride are testing fully autonomous trucking solutions, aiming to revolutionize supply chain logistics. Small Blue Diamond, C. AI-powered last-mile delivery. 1. Autonomous delivery robots and drones are becoming essential for e-commerce and food delivery services. 2. Companies like Amazon, Starship Technologies, and Neuro are pioneering contactless, AI-driven delivery systems. 3. AI enables real-time traffic analysis, package tracking, and optimized routing, making deliveries faster and more reliable. Package 2. Key benefits of autonomous transportation systems, Small Blue Diamond, A. Enhanced safety and reduced accidents. 1. AI-driven transportation eliminates human error, the leading cause of traffic accidents worldwide. 2. Autonomous braking, collision detection, and adaptive cruise control improve road safety and passenger security. 3. AI continuously analyzes data from road conditions and sensors to anticipate and mitigate potential hazards. Small Blue Diamond, B. Traffic reduction and environmental benefits. 1. AI-optimized route planning reduces congestion in urban areas by avoiding high traffic zones. 2. Electric self-driving vehicles, EVs, contribute to lower carbon emissions and improved air quality. 3. Smart traffic management systems use AI to streamline vehicle flow, reducing unnecessary fuel consumption and idle time. Small Blue Diamond, C. Cost efficiency and business productivity. 1. Businesses benefit from reduced labor costs, as AI-driven vehicles require minimal human intervention. 2. AI-based fleet management systems enable predictive maintenance, preventing mechanical failures and reducing downtime. 3. Autonomous systems ensure faster, round-the-clock deliveries, enhancing overall logistics efficiency. Crystal Ball 3. Challenges and the road ahead, Small Blue Diamond, A. Regulatory and legal hurdles. 1. Governments must establish comprehensive laws and safety regulations to govern autonomous transportation. 2. Legal liability in accidents involving AVs remains a challenge, requiring clear guidelines on accountability. 3. Regulations must address ethical concerns, insurance policies, and AI decision-making frameworks. Small blue diamond, B. Consumer trust and public adoption. 1. Many consumers remain skeptical about fully autonomous transportation, fearing malfunctions and security risks. 2. Public awareness campaigns and real-world testing are essential to increase confidence in AI-driven vehicles. 3. Demonstrations, regulatory approvals, and transparent AI decision-making will play a key role in mainstream adoption. Small blue diamond, C. Ethical and AI governance challenges. 1. Autonomous systems must be programmed to handle ethical dilemmas, such as accident avoidance decisions. 2. AI-powered transportation must be free from algorithmic biases, ensuring fair and responsible vehicle behavior. 3. Policymakers and AI researchers must collaborate to establish global safety and ethical guidelines for AVs. Pushpin, conclusion: autonomous systems are transforming transportation and delivery services, offering a future where AI-driven mobility is safer, more efficient, and more sustainable. From self-driving cars and trucks to AI-powered last-mile delivery solutions, automation is reshaping the way goods and people move across the world. While regulatory, ethical, and public adoption challenges remain, advancements in AI, machine learning, and smart mobility infrastructure will accelerate the shift toward a fully connected, autonomous transportation ecosystem. The future holds a smarter, more connected, and AI-driven world, redefining how we travel and receive goods in the decades ahead.